Any organization, whether it is a company or a government agency or a nonprofit or a community organization of some sort, what really differentiates those that offer and provide world-class service and do it consistently over time, even as the world changes, even as customer preferences change, even as the labor force environment changes. These are the organizations who build cultures of continuously uplifting service. So they're not only focused on the immediate high-quality service performance, that's incredibly important, and continuously improving their service performance, that's also important, but they literally build an entire cultural environment in which the passion for taking the next action to create more value for the people that you serve, which is what we call uplifting your service, that culture itself becomes a differentiating factor of the organization. And when you've got a culture like that, when you build one, when you nurture one, when you maintain one, you naturally attract the best service providers. People naturally perform at their highest possible level, and they want to stay there and attract other people, both new colleagues to work in the organization, as well as the customers that you attract and retain. Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.